What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be drawing Nagi from Blue Lock. Loving Blue Lock at the minute. It's awesome. It's really good. I'll try draw some like more crazy poses, maybe with them shooting and stuff, but that's hard. It's really hard. But we'll draw Nagi anyway. We'll do a portrait of him. Landscape page, use pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with his eyes. Center point of my page about here. I'm over to the left. Right, sorry. Don't know my left from my right. So we start with his eyes. So we go diagonal and then across. So he's real like sort of flat eyes across here. It's like he's bored all the time, right? And then this kind of hooks down. Right, and just comes around real thin. Like that. So that's the general shape, but you gotta like thicken up everything, right? So you gotta add like some weight to these lines. And it's just darker down here to about there, right? So it just like spikes down. Like that, okay? And I think it sticks out a little bit at the back here. Okay, and then his iris, so he's got big sort of grey eyes. Grey or brown, I'm not sure. They're kind of both grey and brown, are they? Browny grey. And then his pupil, just in the middle. Pretty small. Just there. In Blue Lock, we have an extra line that comes down just there. And then eyelid lines. So we've got eyelid line just coming across the top here. And then coming across here as well. I can't really see his eyebrow, it's kind of underneath his hair, but we'll add sort of a little one just here. They're real flat again, sort of downturned, unimpressed sort of eyebrows. Right, we go over and we do the other eye. So you go diagonal again, and then across the top. And then it sort of hooks down. Right, and we'll thicken this up before we do the bottom, so just so we know where everything is. Right, and then his bottom eyelid again, so we go curve it around, so we just go around here. And it doesn't go the whole way up there. And there's the extra line. Iris, so big circle. Coming down from there, and then pupil in the middle. An extra little eyelid line here, and then his eyelid coming across that way. Can't see his eyebrow either, but we'll put it in anyway. Sort of skinny eyebrows there. Okay, so what we can see for his nose, so we just have a sort of a nostril line kind of here, and then a diagonal line just going that way. And then his mouth, he's like totally unimpressed, right? So it's just like two lines, one like that, and then the other curving down that way. So he's like, whatever. Might be a little bit of a shadow underneath his bottom lip. Depends if you're drawing manga style or anime style. Okay, so his chin, so it's skinny enough but square, right? So it's like that. And then like top eyelid to his nose is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here. So this and this are about the same. And then nose to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay, so this is halfway between here and here. Once you get that, you can go for the jaw. So we go up that way, that way. We change our direction, so we don't keep going off that way. You want to go up here beside the eye a bit more. All right, like so. Then we have to add all of his hair, okay, and then the ears underneath. So we've got hair spikes that come down across his face. All right, so we do a line going that way. Do these in the middle first. So another one here. So you can kind of hang down over his eyes a bit. Go up that way and then so that, another one here. Sticking out this way, we can just see like his ears in underneath here. Then the rest of his hair goes up around his head. Right, it's kind of messy, sort of spiking in different directions and stuff. Like so, bumps in the middle. Got something that sticks out the top here. And then we go down the other side. Okay, so that's his hair, right? And we'll go down and just do his neck and his shoulders. So neck here, right? So kind of long, skinny neck, and then his shoulders come out and down this way. So then we have neck muscles just going this way, and then his collar comes across the neck, just round it out here. And then we have his collarbones just coming out from the middle going up towards his shoulder. Like shoulder muscles and stuff. What you can see of it here. Maybe some more sort of neck muscles and things. Just a little bit. And he has some long hair hanging down just behind his ears and his neck. Right, there you go, Nagi, the talented one. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.